Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new episode of English with Altaf. I'm Ikra, and I'm really happy to be with you all today.
And I'm Altaf. In this video, we're going to talk about a very important topic, trusting the process of learning English. We will share our thoughts, give examples, and help you feel more confident as you continue your journey to learn English.
That's right. Learning English is not something that happens overnight. It takes time, patience, and regular practice. Today, we'll talk about why it's important to trust the process and how you can stay motivated even when it feels slow.
Exactly. We'll also give you simple tips to stay on track, how to enjoy the learning journey, and why mistakes are actually a good thing.
Let's begin. So, Altaf, many people start learning English but give up quickly. Why do you think that happens?
Good question, Ikra. I think many learners expect fast results. They want to speak fluently in just a few weeks, and when they don't see progress quickly, they feel disappointed. That's why trusting the process is so important. Learning a language takes time.
Yes, I agree. When I started learning English, I also felt it was very difficult in the beginning. I made many mistakes and I didn't understand many words. But slowly, with practice, I started to improve.
That's a great example. You didn't give up. You kept going. And that's what I always tell my students, don't worry if you're not perfect. You are learning every day, even if you don't see it right away.
Many people also compare themselves with others. They see someone speaking English very well and think, why can't I do that? But we have to remember everyone has their own speed and journey.
That's very true. Comparison can make you feel bad about yourself. Instead, focus on your own progress. Maybe today you learned 2 new words. That's progress. Maybe yesterday you watched a video without subtitles. That's also progress.
So true. Every small step is important. And if you trust the process, you will become better. Learning English is not just about speaking fluently. It's also about understanding, reading, listening, and writing.
Exactly. And I always say don't just study English. Live with English. Make it part of your daily life. Listen to English songs. Watch English movies. Read short stories. These things help more than you think.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Many people stay quiet because they don't want to say something wrong. But how can we learn if we don't make mistakes?
That's a very good point, Ikra. Mistakes are our best teachers. When we make a mistake and someone corrects us, we remember the correct form better. It becomes part of our memory.
I remember once I said he go to school every day, and someone corrected me saying he goes to school. I never forgot that after.
Yes, and that's how it works. When we speak, write, or even think in English, we train our brain. The more we do it, the better we get. But it takes time and effort.
Some days are hard. You may feel like you're not learning anything, but those are the days you need to trust the process the most. Keep going, and you will improve.
And sometimes we need to change our way of learning. If one method doesn't work, try another. Maybe you don't like grammar books. Then try watching English YouTubers. Or maybe you enjoy listening to podcasts. Find what works best for you.
That's great advice. I used to feel bored reading long texts, but then I started using English learning apps and games, and I started to enjoy learning more.
That's a perfect example of making learning fun. When something is fun, we do it more often. And when we practice more, we get better.
I also want to tell our viewers, don't be shy. Speak English whenever you get a chance. Talk to a friend, speak to yourself in the mirror, or even record yourself.
Yes, practice speaking every day, even if you are alone. Say simple sentences like, I am going to the market, or I am cooking dinner. This builds confidence.
Confidence is so important. If you don't believe in yourself, learning becomes harder. But if you say, I can do it, then slowly, your brain will start to believe it too.
And the more confident you become, the more you speak, the more you understand, and the more fluent you become. It's a beautiful process.
Let's talk a little bit about learning from failure. Sometimes we take a test and don't do well, or we forget what we studied. What should we do then?
We should not be afraid of failure. Failure is part of success. If you fail, it means you are trying. Every successful English speaker has failed many times before.
That's so encouraging. So, viewers, remember, don't quit just because it's hard. Everything that's worth doing takes effort.
Exactly. Keep a journal of your progress. Write a few lines in English every day. Even simple things like, today I woke up early, or I ate my lunch at 1 p.m. This helps you practice and track your learning.
And when you look back after a few weeks or months, you'll see how much you've improved. That's when you'll feel really proud.
So, let's quickly talk about some practical steps our viewers can take to trust and enjoy the process.
Step 1, set small goals. Don't say, I want to speak fluent English in 1 month. Instead, say, I want to learn 5 new words this week.
Step 2. Practice a little every day. Even 10 to 15 minutes is enough if you do it regularly.
Step 3, use English in your daily life. Think in English, speak in English, listen to English.
Step 4. Don't be afraid of mistakes. They help you learn.
Step 5, celebrate your progress. Be proud of yourself for every small achievement.
That's a great list. And most importantly, believe in yourself. Learning a language is like planting a seed. It won't become a tree in one day, but if you keep watering it, it will grow.
So true, Altaf. And we are here with you in this journey. You are not alone. Many people around the world are learning English just like you.
And everyone faces the same struggles. It's okay to feel stuck. Just don't stop. Keep learning, keep growing, and trust the process.
Let's now quickly review what we've learned in this video.
Sure. Today we talked about the importance of trusting the process of learning English. We discussed how learning takes time and effort, and how mistakes are a natural part of learning.
We also gave some tips like setting small goals, practicing daily, and staying motivated even on hard days. We reminded you not to compare yourself with others and to enjoy the learning journey.
That's right. The most important message is don't give up. If you stay consistent and trust the process, you will speak English with confidence one day.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope it helped you feel more confident and motivated.
If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Altaf. And remember, keep learning, keep improving, and trust the process.
See you in the next video. Take care and keep practicing.
Goodbye and happy learning.